Hey guys, Kyle with Alleycat Electronics. Have a 2006 Jeep TJ. It is a 4-liter, 6-speed manual transmission. So, like this, not an LJ, TJ. And I'm putting the Rostra, 250, 1223 universal cruise on this thing. So, I ended up mounting the cruise right in this location. Of course, I have it loose right now because I'm going to make my final adjustments. I have test driven it to make sure everything operates correct, but to leave them loose till I go out and fine tune them. So there's a great spot down here to go through the firewall for the main harness, and I also needed the vehicle speed sense wire, so that's routed up over to the control module over here. And this is the main reason I'm posting this, because on this vehicle a lot of the data shows, oh, it's 38,000 pulses per mile, it's a green with white stripe, oh, it's white with orange stripe, and it's 8,000 pulses per mile. And so it shows connector 4, so I'm in black, and there's colors on each one, and this one doesn't have any colors, so this is the black. But as a seasoned installer, I come in here and I'm looking for a white with orange and testing, and a green with white and testing, and getting a little flustered because there's improper data information on this particular vehicle out there. What I found in this harness, and there's only one, it's a blue with an orange stripe, and I believe I went ahead and set the cruise for 8,000 pulses per mile, just like it showed for the white with orange on the data sheet. And I went out and test drove it. It does set and it seems fine. I do want to make some fine adjustments so it doesn't pull and set too fast or fluctuate going down the highway, but that's part of the installer's job on these things. But blue with orange stripe in there, I found it, tested it with my standard snap-on test light that shows ground or positive pulse with a green and red light. Of course, the cruise switch right here, there wasn't a whole lot of options where you mount it because the way this thing curves up, goes up into here. So I gave them the best I could. Since it's a 6-speed manual, I added this relay, the yellow with orange stripe down here. I attached my single yellow wire over here because it goes to ground on the clutch. The other side's an ignition, so I have the cruise's brake wire together all the time, so anytime they hit the brake, it connects those two to make, or they stay connected, and it makes the cruise disengage. And then on the other side, I ran from the hot side, so when the clutch is pressed, it doesn't feed back to the brake lights, but it feeds from the clutch, from this power to the brake kill switch. So other than that, pretty simple install. Just need to get out there and adjust it. And if you have any questions, I try to help you out as much as I can. I know that on these Jeeps like this, if they have the 4-cylinder, I've ran into them where you have to use their 250-4369, which is a pulse module that takes it down to 8 or 10,000 or something instead of 38,000. So if you're doing the 4-cylinder, be leery or aware that you're going to have another $40-50 in that part as well.